In this video, we're going to talk about sharpening flails and when flails are serviceable or when they should be replaced. In my hand is a Trimax Gamma flail found on the Easy Mow and the Flail deck. With our flails, when it comes to wear, we recommend that once the leading edge has worn back to the base of the stem, this flail now needs to be replaced. When replacing a Trimax Gamma flail on the Easy Mow or a Flail deck, you must replace the bolt, the nut, and the spacer every time. When sharpening a Trimax flail, we recommend always sharpening at 45 to 50 degrees. Never sharpen on the side, on the inside of the curve of the flail. Always sharpen on the rounded side at 45 to 50 degrees. On the Warlord or the Force, we recommend sharpening the flails in place by opening up the rear service door to gain access to the rotor. For demonstration purposes, we've got a rotor here sitting on top of some axle stands, but this is what should be done if this rotor was inside a Warlord or a Force. Get a piece of wood, flip over the flail to expose the edge that needs to be sharpened. If you have a Warlord or a Force using these flails, the service life of this flail is this flat surface here. Once the wear exceeds the limits of this flat surface, it is time to replace your flails. When it comes to any flail maintenance, whether it's sharpening or replacing, sharpen all the flails or replace all the flails at the same time to keep and maintain the balance of the rotor assembly. Whenever removing a nylock nut from the rotor assembly, always replace it with a new one. If you find any damage to either the head or the thread, make sure that the bolt is also replaced. But as always, if you find that your flails are not serviceable, always trust genuine Trimax parts.